Morning, all of you. I request all of you to please keep yourselves on mute throughout the program.
Respected Principal Ma'am, distinguished guests from all walks of life, and my dear students, good afternoon. As class teacher of 11G, it is my pleasure to welcome you all to our annual interclass competition Spectrum, a talent festival. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Leadership is unlocking potential to become better. These quotes are indeed very true for our team leader, our principal ma'am, who is always inspiring and motivating us to accept new challenges. Ma'am, with you as a team leader who is full of enthusiasm, motivation, and source of continuous inspiration, even sky is not the limit. A special thanks to you, ma'am, for inspiring us to give the opportunity to unlock our potential. I extend my gratitude to our esteemed judges, guests, and spectators for sparing their valuable times to encourage our students. I would like to appreciate the guidance and continuous support of Sandeep ma'am and faculty members for being with me. Last but not the least, I am thankful to all my dear students who worked tirelessly from day one to make today's event a reality. Indeed, they are the powerhouse of talent. Challenges are reality of life. We are not the first one that are facing challenges in life, and we won't be the last. This is true not only for an individual but for the economy also, which is currently suffering from corona pandemic. Accepting the problem, focus on attacking the problem with courage, conviction, and confidence are the requisites which converts problems into opportunities. With this brief introduction, now I would like to invite Kamya and Anya to begin with today's presentation. Thank you.
Good
Thank you,
afternoon,
Winnie. All the
everyone.
best.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Halt on our lives, and we all are confined. But the scientific brains are always ready to unwind, buzzing with the same vigor. We, the young strivers, are all set to advance the beams of our propensity and economy and its facets.
Are we all ready to board this flight? So let's get going. We feel elated to welcome our Honorable Principal Ma'am, the Reverend Judges, the esteemed dignitaries, this virtual platform where children will outpour their immense talents. It is time to below the flag of proficiency and acquaintance. It's time for the show to begin. The show where the charismatic and progressive energies of our young brigade will showcase exhilarating live presentations, followed by soul stirring PowerPoint presentations and refreshing and stimulating collage making activities will be staged at last.
Time is drawing near for the competent and dexterous aspirants to unfurl the event that we are about to present. Here we go with the live presentation.
मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेकर जेबों में आशाएं मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेकर जेबों में आशाएं दिल में है अरमान यही कि कुछ कर जाए सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में दीपक सा जलता देखोगे अपने हद रोशन करने से तुम मुझे कब तक रोकोगे तुम मुझे कब तक रोकोगे A profound and vivid writer had once quoted that winners are never the people who never fail, but they are the people who never quit.
This is undeniably the perceptible mantra of life. Let us not sit back, let us come back must have been the carol they keep chanting. Coming up your way have the live presentation on the lives of few illustrious and renowned names who have made a mark of their own in their respective fields. I am sure this must have been the chorus they keep chanting. Your goal may be distant and afar. Strive harder to reach that star. You may fail, but should never quit. Pave your path bit by bit.
तू खुद की खोज में निकल तू किस लिए हताश है तू खुद की खोज में निकल तू किस लिए हताश है, तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है।
Dear friends, hardships are the reality of life. I'm sure at some point in life, each one of us had to endure some kind of hardships. But even in the toughest of time, we should not forget that there is no shortcut for success. The legends who we admire and idolize today started their journey as a common man like each one of us. They burned the midnight oil, but the virtues that remained constant were conviction and hard work. Let us talk about a legend who stands tall with a staggering fortune and has been instrumental in highlighting India on the global map. I am talking about none other than Mr. Ratan Naval Tata. Born into family of Jamshedji Tata, Ratan Tata is a business idol for many young entrepreneurs. From family shoveling limestone and handling blast furnace on the shop floor of Tata Steel to being the chairman of the Tata Group, Ratan Tata has come a long way. Let me narrate a very particular incident in Ratan Tata's life, which proves that the tag of greatness does not come without making sacrifices. Tata Group launched Tata Indica in 1998, which was a huge failure in its very first year. Tata Group agreed to sell its car business to Bill Ford, the chairman of Ford Company. During their meeting at Detroit, Bill insulted Tata by saying that he should not have entered the car business without knowing it completely. Bill also mentioned that Ford would be doing a huge favor on Tata Group by buying their failed car business. But Ratan Tata never lost his zeal to excel.
संघर्ष में आदमी अकेला होता है, सफलता में दुनिया उसके साथ होती है। जिस जिस पर ये जग हंसा है, उसी ने इतिहास रचा है, उसी ने इतिहास रचा है। Welcome you all to the live presentation of class 11G. Our topic is Winners Never Quit and Quitters Never Win. We are showcasing the entrepreneurs of the recent times who with their confidence, conviction, passion, determination have converted their problems into opportunities and are success stories. First of all, we have Vandana Luthra, founder and mentor of VLCC. She believes that in order to be a successful entrepreneur, one has to have an indomitable spirit, self-belief, be a visionary, and the spirit to take the knocks.
I am Vandana Luthra, the founder of VLCC. I was born in New Delhi in 1959. My father was a mechanical engineer and my mother was a doctor who was the owner of a charitable initiative. This motivated me to impact people's life. After completing my graduation, I went to Europe to gain some expertise in beauty, food, nutrition and skin care. The biggest challenge for me was to establish my work, which is a completely different career as per my parents. I established my empire not only in India but other countries of Europe and world. I was honored with Padma Shri in 2013 and I was also featured in the books of Fortune magazine under 50 most powerful businesses of India in 5 years in a row. VLCC is now a global wellness brand. It has nearly 300 salons across 121 cities and 16 countries with a turnover of rupees 5,000 crore. In the next 3 years, with a growing contribution to its overseas business. My view of success is that मैं सही निर्णय लेने में यकीन नहीं करती, बल्कि फैसले लेकर उन्हें सही साबित करने में यकीन करती हूँ. Thank you.
Up next, we have Kiran Mazumdar. She is an Indian billionaire entrepreneur. She is the managing director and chairperson of Biocon Limited, a biotechnology company, and she is the former chairperson of IIM, Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore.
Good morning. Greetings of the day. I am Kiran Mazumdar Shaw. I belong to Bangalore city. I would like to begin expressing my profound and heartfelt gratitude to the organizers for giving me this wonderful opportunity to share my experiences and challenges at a very young age. I started my company Bagger Limited in 1978 in the City of Science, Bangalore. However, I was always told that women are not capable of running a business. Women are not risk takers. I was always told that men were more far determined, confident, and decisive. Initially, I faced reliable challenges because of my youth and my untested business model for biotechnology. I was unable to secure funding for my startup at the early stages of my business. I also found it difficult to recruit people to work for my startup. Moreover, I faced technological challenges associated with trying to build a biotech business in a country with uninterrupted power, imported research equipments, and workers with advanced scientific skills. However, I am so excited today seeing so many exciting things happening in the field of biotechnology. I would like to end up conveying that 40 years since I started my business, I really think we need to see more women in the business world. I think it's not a man's world alone. If women have power, determination, and resolution, there is nothing that they can't do. जो अपने कदमों की काबिलियत पर विश्वास रखते हैं, वही अक्सर अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंचते हैं. Thank you.
While he has not even attained 25 years of age, Ritesh Agarwal, the CEO of Oyo Rooms, has seen it all: popularity, business success, and financial prosperity. He says that his success was not an easy one.
I am Ritesh Agarwal, CEO and founder of Oyo Rooms. I was born on 26 November 1993 at Bisampatak, Odisha. My success journey from a dropout to a billionaire is quite inspirational. I was tech-friendly from a very young age, as I have started coding when I was just 10 years old. Another of my passion was to travel around the world. While I travel around the world, I realized that there is a need for affordable hotels which provide decent services to the people. This gave me a hunch to do something to solve this problem. So I combined my love for travel with this obsession with technology to make something useful for the people. It was difficult in the beginning as I didn't know much about entrepreneurship, but as I have developed my plans and showed them to some investors, I got the overwhelming response. I received the funding of $100,000, which helped me to quick start my entrepreneur journey. I then started my entrepreneur journey with providing affordable rooms with standard facilities in more than thousands of hotels. Slowly and gradually, this concept made me a billionaire at the age of 23. At present, my net worth is $1.1 million. मेरा मानना है कि कोशिश हर सांस तक करनी चाहिए. या तो लक्ष्य हासिल होगा या
Next in the pipeline, we have another epitome of workmanship, an ideal example of a great leader, Suchi Mukherjee.
I am Suchi Mukherjee, founder and CEO of online shopping portal called LimeRoad.com, which was founded in 2012. Having worked with the biggest of names in industry and accomplishing many goals, I still felt a void somewhere. I was born in 1973 in a middle-class family in Haryana. I completed my bachelor's in arts and later I went to economics school in London to secure a master's degree. As a woman, it is somewhere hard to balance my family and profession. But I know when going gets tough, the tough gets going. And today, my company LimeRoad is known as India's most stylish online shopping website for men and women. I am also among the 15 women voted for Rising Talent. I would like to tell you that I have received many awards like Cooler Startup of the Year, Infocom Woman of the Year, Unicorn Startup Award, etc. I would also like to share that my biggest challenge came from my family. मेरे पेरेंट्स को बिल्कुल मंजूर नहीं था कि मैं अपने दम पर कुछ शुरू करूं। उनके लिए ये एक बहुत बड़ा रिस्क था और वो किसी भी हाल में मुझे रिस्क लेने से अलाउ नहीं कर सकते थे। But today, they are very proud of me and boast about me being a self-made woman.
Baiju Ravindran has created India's most valued edtech firm by spotting opportunities at every stage. He understands his strengths and how to make the most of them.
Baiju Ravindran, the founder of popular Baiju classes. My journey started from Azikira in Kerala's Kannada district. I studied in a Malayalam school. Both of my parents are teachers. It was in school when I began to develop visual technique to understand concepts. During a vacation in 2013, I helped my few friends to crack the CAT exam, and surprisingly, they all did well. When I got a lot of positive feedback about my coaching, I understood my strengths and tried to make the best of them. I believe you learn the best not by asking questions to teachers, not to parents, but to yourself. I created India's most valued edtech firm by spotting the opportunities at all levels. And in 2019, I launched the Baiju the Learning app, so students can watch now interesting lessons on tab whenever they have free time. I am so thankful to God for whatever I am today.
Upasana, a pure inspiration who decided to quit her privileged life, ignored gender discrimination patiently, and faced numerous challenges just to give back to her homeland.
I'm Upasana, the founder of MobiWik. When you start something new, the ecosystem doesn't accept you easily. People say no. Though the concept seems relatable, it was fairly new for the market to accept it then. However, I was calm enough to build my idea into a venture. My gender was one of the major obstacles that I faced. I observed that women in a position of managing finance was unsettling. And this is why I talk about courage that a woman has to take when in the helm of affairs. I battled my way up to the top unceasingly. I had the entrepreneur calling from within, but I also wanted it to be in other people's best interest too. I established MobiWik to help the undeserved individuals of India. MobiWik was established as a simple recharge platform. Soon, it found its way in every individual's phone as an e-wallet. Let's meet the creator of Zomato, Mr. Dipinder Goyal. Zomato is a household name now. All of us are familiar with this digital food app and must have availed its services sometime or the other.
I believe in uncharted territories. I am also of the conviction that startups can scale unprecedented heights provided the founders and employees can embrace the new. With Zomato, which I started as Foodiebay, was established in July 2008 with my colleague Pankaj Chadha. The idea struck me when my colleagues consistently had demanded for paper menu leaflets of different restaurants to order food. That's when I thought of converting these restaurant papers menus into a digital app that is far more accessible and easier to use. Foodiebay initially started out in Delhi, then the services were extended to cities like Mumbai and Kolkata. Then we decided to modify it and take it to the international level, and that's when this venture started being called Zomato. Hiring the correct person is the primary factor for our company's growth. It was also the greatest hurdle encountered by us while building Zomato. But now we have a squad who are vital in breaking our dream project. Today, Zomato has 62.5 million registered customers. It has made it easy for the customer to pay for the charges digitally by launching cashless transactions. Thank you.
These success stories inspires us that how, with the help of positive attitude, confidence, conviction, we can turn our obstacles into opportunities.
तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें से दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ। आश
It can be truly said that these erudite and notable people, namely Ritesh Agarwal, Vandana Luthra, etc., are winners, champions, and conquerors in the real sense, who have always exhibited a fighter spirit. They are the flamboyant stars of the galaxy named India and have infused the warrior spirit in each soul of this grand nation. It has been undeniably witnessed that in spite of the staggering and deflating situation in India, due to the outbreak of pandemic, India bounced back. This vigor of resilience is truly reflected in our forthcoming event, India Bounces Back. झुक झुक कर सीधा खड़ा हुआ, अब फिर झुकने का शौक नहीं। झुक झुक कर सीधा खड़ा हुआ, अब फिर झुकने का शौक नहीं। अपने हाथों रचा स्वयं, तुमसे मिटने का खौफ नहीं। तुम हालातों की भट्टी में जब जब भी मुझको झोंकोगे, तब तब कर सोना बनूंगा मैं। तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे। The grandeur and panorama of this event will reach its peak when we will all witness the PowerPoint presentations prepared by the aspiring brains of Class 11G, that is Manjot, Daksh, and Aditya, on India Bounces Back, and is going to be presented by Kamya and Unnati.
India is currently challenging multiple challenges at a time, as India has recently not only seen the outbreak of coronavirus but other natural calamities such as cyclones, earthquake, etc. Every crisis can be turned into an opportunity. Indians have the spirit to achieve what is believed to be impossible. Government's highest priority is to strengthen the economy, and while coronavirus may have slowed down growth, India will bounce back. This COVID 19 pandemic affected the manufacturing and the services sector like hospitality, tours and travels, etc. adversely. Productivity loss on one hand and demand for goods and services by the consumer in the market is declining on the other. All this leading to increase in rate of unemployment and decrease in the growth rate of GDP. However, every cloud has a silver lining. COVID-19 has positive effects like it has left the environment greener and the air cleaner. Greenhouse gas emissions and pollution levels across the country have fallen significantly. Crime incidents have become rarer. Delhi police have registered only few cases including petty theft, robbery and automobile theft. Wildlife is regenerating as nature is healing while people are restricted their movement outdoors. Be the revival. It is natural to talk about the revival. When India talks of revival, it is the revival with care, revival with compassion, revival which is sustainable for the environment and economy. India is fighting a strong battle against the global pandemic with an increased focus on the health of the economy. Health of the people is important as a healthy person contributes to economic growth by providing uninterrupted labor supply in economy. Health of economy depends upon growth of all the three sector, that is primary, secondary and tertiary sector. India is laying a red carpet for all the global companies to come and establish their presence in India. Very few countries will offer today the kind of opportunity we are opening the door to investors to come and invest directly in country. The story of global revival is linked with two factors. The first is Indian talent. We have seen the contribution of India's talent force. This includes Indian professionals, doctor nurses, bankers, lawyers, scientists, professors, and our very hardworking laborers. Who can forget the Indian tech industry and tech professionals? They have been showing the way for decades. India is the powerhouse of talent that is eager to contribute and ever ready to learn. And the second factor is India's ability to reform and rejuvenate. Indians are natural reformers, shown that India has overcome every challenge. India has the spirit of reform and rejuvenation, and the same spirit continues now.
Education technology. Online education, tutoring, web courses, etc. have come up to be the need of the hour when schools and educational institutions are not allowed to function. Irreplaceable, the online education sector is observing a sudden surge, and people from all walks of life from every of the COVID-19 affected nations are looking up for the alternatives for conventional teaching and learning.
Health and wellness. With 4% of GDP expenditure on healthcare, India ranks among the bottom 5 countries with lowest public health. The global average for GDP spent on healthcare is 9%.
Financial services and NBFs. One thing that is inevitable in the upcoming days is an all-time economic low. Masses would be standardized with less or no cash services. Aggravations to the issue at hand, unemployment and health issues would make matter worse.
E-commerce. India's e-commerce revenue is expected to jump from $39 billion in 2017 to $120 billion in 2020, growing at an annual rate of 51%, the highest in the world.
OTT platforms and online gaming. Over-the-top media and online gaming has surfaced above the conventional ways of entertainment. With bans and restrictions on movie theaters, gaming hubs, and other recreational amusements installations, these OTT platforms and the online gaming would had to fill in the gaps.
Remote working tools. Due to novel coronavirus, there is a boost of remote working and telecommuting. The remote working tools have significantly blurred the lines between physical office and the virtual office.
Managed office spaces. Another sector that would rise above the rest is managed office spaces for corporates, startups, and commercial real estates. With the prevailing wave of remote working culture combined with the business cutting cost aggressively, the need for the cost efficiency, comfortable managed office spaces is observed.
Pharma life, science labs, and pathology. As the coronavirus outbreak continues to bring the functioning of many industries to a slowdown, pharma companies too may shift their focus to digital initiatives towards doctors and consumers to sustain growth during containment measures like work from home.
Amidst the multiple challenges thrown up by the COVID-19 pandemic, India will bounce back with a vengeance, said by CEO of Niti Aayog Amitabh Kant. Every crisis can be turned into an opportunity. Electrical mobility, artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, liberalizing clinical trials, and moving on to a high-value product in a pharmaceutical are the areas in which we can leapfrog to help country grow at a consistency high growth rates.
India has adopted following strategies to bounce back. Sunrise sectors. A sunrise industry that is new or relatively new is growing fast and is expected to become important in future. For instance, hydrogen fuel production, online encyclopedias, etc. Green shots. It indicates the sign of economic recovery. It was first used by Norman Lamont during 1991 recession.
Talking about the creative industry, Mr. Kant, the CEO of Niti Aayog, said, India is emerging as the hub of creative economy. The media and entertainment industry is on a fast track to growth and poised to cross $30 billion by 2021, with the creative export likely to double over the next 4 to 5 years, he said. adding a large number of new jobs are likely to be created in the creative industry as well as e-commerce.
Atmanirbhar Bharat is the vision of Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi of making India a bigger and more important part of efficient, competitive, and being self-sustaining in the world. Two aspects of Atmanirbhar Bharat are Vocal for Local. PM Narendra Modi coined a new slogan Vocal for Local, which means to not only buy local products but be vocal for promoting them proudly. Make in India. It is a major national program of Government of India designed to facilitate investment, innovation, protect intellectual property and build best-in-class manufacturing infrastructure in the country of the world, but to manufacture here in India.
The foundation of Atmanirbhar Bharat are as follows. Economy. We need economy that doesn't bring incremental change but makes quantum jumps. Infrastructure. We need infrastructure that will become the identity of modern India. Technology. We need a system that is no longer based on the rules and rituals of past, but one that actualizes the dream of 21st century. This system needs to be technology based. Vibrant demography. A vibrant demography is our strength. It is the source of energy for our efforts to make India self-reliant. Demand. The cycle of demand and supply in our economy is an asset. We need to utilize it powerfully.
Vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. The fundamentals of Indian economy are strong and it has the capacity to bounce back.
This is the India that is reforming. India is a natural reformer, performing, as India has launched many yojanas like Atal Pension Yojana, Make in India, etc., which will ultimately contribute in the development of the country. Transforming. The Government of India has switched manual work to digital under Digital India, which has ultimately developed the technology sector. Many new economic opportunities are given for the betterment of the people who are needy, and it has also generated the employment by creating job facilities. I will conclude our presentation here. India is ready to do whatever it can do to further global good and prosperity. This is a reforming, performing, and transforming. This is an India that offers new economy. This is an India that is adopting a human-centric and inclusive approach to development. India awaits you all. Thank you very much.
These soul-stirring PowerPoint presentations are so full of spark that can rouse and ignite the spirit of working even harder and pave our way to achieve the sustainable goals. In fact, government's utmost priority is to empower, invigorate, and ascend the impaired economy back to the ever radiant and luminous economy with the sustainable developmental goals. Henceforth, it's time to dive deeper into the saga of economic proclivity and inclination, which will remain incomplete unless we peep into the portal of the collage making team, who is ready to sway away every bit with the beautiful collages.
Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Myself Hardik with my friend Ishan are going to explain the title of our collage, Moving Towards Sustainable Development. We are constantly on the path of development, but do you think the development is completely beneficial and not harmful in any way? Let's find out from Ishan the development that comes with destruction of nature, that is unsustainable development.
Hello everyone, myself Ishan and today I am going to explain the theme of our collage, that is moving towards sustainable development. Unsustainable development occurs when present progress is at the expense of future generations. For example, irresponsible planning and environmental degradation through exploitation of resources generates waste and pollution that damages the ecosystem. Deforestation or clearing is the removal of forests or stand of trees from land which is then converted to a non-forest trees. Deforestation can involve conservation of forest land to farms, ranches, and urban use. The most concentrated deforestation occurs in tropical rainforests. Now, let's talk about child labor. Child labor refers to the exploitation of resources through any form of work that deprives children of the childhood with their ability to attend schools and is mentally, physically, socially, or morally harmful.
Sustainable development is the development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. In other words, it is improving the quality of life of the present generation without excessive use or abuse of natural resources so that they can be preserved for the next generation. Sustainable development is often referred to as the economic development without compromising the ecological balance. It can be attained by policy change, taking action, and altering practices. There are three aims of sustainable development: economic, to attain balanced growth; ecological, to preserve the ecosystem; and social, guaranteeing equal access to resources to all human communities. There are several challenges that need attention in the arena of economic development and environmental depletion. Hence, the idea of sustainable development is essential to address the following issues: to curb or prevent the environmental degradation, to ensure a safe human life, to check the overexploitation, and to regenerate renewable energy resources.
The concept of sustainable development is based on following principles: conservation, integration of environment, waste minimization. Components of sustainable development include social component, workers' health and safety, impact on local communities, quality of life. Economic components, creation for new markets and opportunities for sale growth, cost reduction through efficiency and improvements, and reduced energy and raw material inputs, creation of additional value.
At last, I would like to conclude with these lines: if you love the nature, nature will love you. If you hate the nature, nature will hate you. We hope that you must have got some information with the help of collage which depicts unsustainable development to sustainable development. Thank you.
The Sustainable Developmental Goals are underpinned by a strong moral agenda that appeals to the human yearning for harmony with fellow human beings and with the natural world of which we are a part. The theory and the practice of yoga, therefore, seems like a natural fit with this moral agenda. The spiritual practice of yoga has the potential to open up the experiences fundamentally different to or beyond those accessible through the ordinary actions. The withdrawal of sense, concentration, and superconsciousness are to do with the spiritual aspirations, while the ethical restraints and the ethical observances are to do with the potential to help people and nation to deal with the global challenges and the world to achieve the 2030 UN Sustainable Developmental Goals.
And here is Unnati, who is a firm believer that yoga is a light, which once lit will never dim. The better your practice, the brighter your flame. That was indeed a wonderful effort. We have reached the culmination of this event, wherein all the children have proven that their sky is methodical and unique. It is time to let them have their own mystique.
कहते थे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तू, देंगे वही सलामियाँ। दिल थाम के जहाँ देखेगा एक दिन तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ। करके दिखा कमाल वो, आके ज़मीं पे दे के जाए आसमां। शाबाशियाँ, 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 शाबाशियाँ।
As it is rightly said that colors are the smiles of nature. This has been proven by our students in Spectrum. As we come to the end of this event, we would like to extend a sincere thanks to our principal ma'am for awakening the desires and wonders of our young generation by giving them a platform to exhibit their talents. Now, I would like to invite Principal Ma'am to share her inspiring words. Children,
Hanji, a very good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. So, मैं कहाँ से शुरू करूँ? शाबाशियाँ to all of you, है ना? Yes. It was a very good thematic song which you have chosen. So, आप सबके लिए बहुत बहुत शाबाश हम कह सकते हैं. And a lot of congratulations, a huge round of applause to all of you, to this team of creative students, teachers, and of course with the help of parents. They must have helped you a lot, supported you a lot, and I'm so happy for you. You know, whatever area you have taken, I think Sandeep unmute करेंगे, कहीं पे कुछ problem आ रही है. Hello?
Yes, ma'am. I'll just see.
Yeah. You have taken the topics, they were very good. Of course, the success stories you have shared. So many students will be inspired by that. And of course, if we see any successful leader or any successful person, the journey is very tough. It is very difficult, and we should be prepared for that. We should keep on challenging ourselves for everything. And now today, as you have done this work, so now you will challenge yourself for some another work, some more creative work, and you will be very happily doing that. Because once you have attained this knowledge, this confidence, so nobody can stop you, dear children. So then you have taken the topic of economy. There were so many sectors you have highlighted. So many good words were there which are going to help you in your project work and in the coming years of your college life. So at least when you are doing some search work, you come to know many things. It's a learning by doing, which we always talk like think beyond the box. So you all have thought, you all have shared it. And then the sustainable development goals, of course, we always often talk about that. So you have touched many areas, and proud to be Indian, proud to be DAVian, proud to be yourself. Of course, never underestimate yourself, especially for this section. Whenever the streams are being allotted, so people think like ये तो section ऐसा है, commerce without maths. No. Over the years, I have seen the maximum success stories are from these sections. When the alumni come back to me, this is my experience. I'm sharing with you, dear children. I want to be proud of yourself. The maximum success stories are from humanities and from commerce without stream, because you think you're out of box. You struggle, you challenge yourself, you think different areas. Doctors, engineers तो बनते ही हैं, but never underestimate your skills, your potential. So congratulations, Winnie and your team of teachers and these young learners. From those, we are always learning every day, and you presented very well, compared very well Kamya and Kavya, I think.
Anya, thank you very much.
Yes, yes. So it was great effort indeed, a great work. So congratulations to you all. Well done, dear children.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
ma'am, for always inspiring us. Now I invite Sandeep ma'am for her valuable remarks.
Thank you, Kamya. As ma'am just said, even in name, there's a technical glitch, I believe. No problem. Even in name, you are very well paired up, Kamya and Anya, and excellent presenters, speakers, excellent. And I must say, your collage was really very impressive. Everything regarding sustainable development was there. It was very well done, excellent speakers, and exhaustive details. So good show put up. Congratulations to the teachers, class teacher, all the associate teachers, technical team, and the students. Congrats to everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to hand over the program to our class teacher, Mrs. Winnie Makita.
Now, I take the opportunity to invite our esteemed judges to enlighten us with their views. First of all, I would like to invite Miss Aarti Bansal.
I think we should pin the judges. Please pin the speaker, Sandeep, Winnie.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am.
Stop sharing screen. Yeah. Yes,
Good
excellent.
morning, teachers. Good morning, Principal Ma'am. And a big hug to all the students who participated. Really, they have put in a lot of effort. And, the knowledge they have, tried to put forward, it's impressive. The way the anchors were presenting, it's real good work on part of the students as well as the teachers, the coordinating team. I mean, just can say all the kudos to the kids and very well guidance by the principal ma'am and teachers. So it's heartwarming to see that the kids are doing so well.
So we don't have any corona here. We don't have any negativity. So we all are positive, marching ahead. We should always be like that. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring word. Now I would like to call Ms. Seema Chandwani for their valuable views.
Good afternoon, everyone. Ma'am, the show was fantastic. It touched me personally also, and the best part was the winners never quit and the topic, whatever it was, because it has touched me especially personally. I have also started something in my life in this Corona period, and this has motivated me a lot. Except the part, most importantly, it is that Ratan Tata and few others we all know, but there were new persons also, like the founder of Byju's, founder of OYO and all, that much have motivated, and especially for these kids when they are on a stage in life where they have chosen their career also, and they have social distractions also, they can watch these stories and learn a lot from them and get motivated with these, that beginnings are always the hardest and hard work has to follow, I must say that. And the yoga part also, that was also personally related to me. I have started yoga in this Corona time, so it was personally a very good session for me, ma'am. So much information, so much education, I must say. I am also learning few new things. as before the corona times, nobody thought that online classes and all would be there, and we would have thought that classroom teaching ही सबसे अच्छी रहती है, online पे समझ नहीं आएगा. That was my personal experience. But now in this time, I am also taking my online hobby classes. As we can say that every cloud has a silver lining. I have seen positivity in this, and I am pursuing my hobby in this time during the corona time while taking online classes. Hats off to the kids, hats off to the teachers. Very good program indeed.
Thank you for your inspiring words. Now I would like to call one Mr. D.R. Yadav for your
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, ma'am. Very, very, very excellent program. Very, very excellent presentation by the students, ma'am. I can clearly imagine the hard work of the entire team, teacher, and the leadership of the principal. Very, very congratulations, ma'am. Really, they have chosen so many successful stories of the person, people, and it is very good. There is a lot of things to learn the student at this age. This is going to really help him, all those students. Thank you very much. Congratulations to all the entire team, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We are having some parents with us also on this virtual platform. So now I invite parents of Ishan, Mrs. Sonia Gupta, to share her views.
Good afternoon, everyone. Ma'am, first of all, I would like to congratulate to all the team members. Ma'am, this event is presented very beautifully and properly. And I hope बच्चों को इस से इंस्पिरेशन मिला होगा और वो आगे जाके फ्यूचर में और भी ज्यादा हार्ड वर्क करेंगे. And special thanks to principal ma'am who always gives tasks and opportunities day by day for the teachers and the students. And also I would like to thank the class teacher Winnie Makheja ma'am and all the teacher coordinators who work day and night from the first day till now. And मैंने बच्चों को मैम लेट नाइट तक मीटिंग अटेंड करते हुए देखा है. टीचर और बच्चे दोनों का कोऑपरेशन बहुत अच्छा था. टीचर भी छोटे मिस्टेक्स बच्चों को बता रही थी और बच्चे उसे ठीक करने की पूरी कोशिश कर रहे थे और कर भी रहे थे. और मैम इट वाज रियली इनक्रेडिबल.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to invite Ms. Anjali Arora, Anya's parent.
Hi, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Your presentation was really very nice, and I have really seen Anya and Vinny Makhija ma'am coordinating all the पूरा time ये लोग लगे हुए थे presentation बनाने में. First time मैंने participating ऐसे कभी देखी है.
See the smile on her face. See the confidence she is having now. She's feeling so good.
Yes, certainly.
I'm very happy with Anya's performance. I have just seen. I'm really proud of her. And this is all because of you, all teachers, and especially Winnie ma'am. She has put all her efforts while doing all these things. Uski Anya ki complaints batana every time ki Anya, you have to do this, Anya, you have to do this. It was really, really very good. Really keep it up.
ये दोनों sisters लग रही हैं बैठी हुई अभी. Both are because the hairdo is same and the smile is same, confidence level is same. Yes, good.
Thank you, Anita ma'am. Thank you, Anita ma'am.
Thank
Now I would like to call Mr. Gaurav Kapoor for sharing your views. Mr. Gaurav Kapoor.
मैम बिकॉज आपके पास इतने अच्छे टीचर्स हैं, you know, Sandeep ma'am, Winnie ma'am, and then many other teachers. But especially
I'm
thanks.
proud of my team. Always proud of my team.
You should be. And सबसे important part है जो विनी मैम ने निभाया है. You know, she indulged herself in so well. You know कि रात को भी कॉल कर रहे हैं, वो रात को भी बच्चों को पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं. वो जिस हिसाब से उन्होंने, you know, the way she motivated the students, especially काम्या, आन्या, ये जो आपस में बात करते थे, they keep on presenting. बच्चों ने बहुत ज्यादा एफर्ट किए हैं. विन्नी मैम ने स्पेशली बहुत अच्छे एफर्ट किए हैं, जो कि रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा निकल के आया. आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ दैट. यू नो, इस कोरोना में दिस इज द न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट व्हिच इज कमिंग अप. यू नो, although we are used to present in this stage, नाउ अब ये प्रेजेंटेशन ऐसा है कि ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंटेशन देना है. द वे हाउ यू फेस द कैमरा, द वे हाउ यू प्रेजेंट योरसेल्फ, द वे हाउ यू प्रोनाउंशिएट, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ लर्निंग इज देयर. तो बहुत अच्छा इवेंट किया. आई एम
This is
रियली
going to help them later on. This is going to help them later on a lot.
डेफिनेटली. मेरे को तो न्यूज़ एंकर दिख रहे हैं इनमें.
Now I want to call upon my talent house.
No, I would like to talk to children, those who are on this platform. Yeah, yeah, please, beta, come forward.
Radhi Babu, please switch on your camera and share your views.
Yes, yes, how are you? Nice to be connected. Yes, how was the journey of the spectrum?
Ma'am, I was really delighted to participate in Expo this year. It was my first time being an anchor, and I enjoyed every bit of it. Also, I was annoyed when I have to reshoot again and again and had to make it up to that mark. And with the combined efforts of the entire class and the support of Miss Winnie Makhija, here we are presenting our Expo in front of all of you. And I believe that somewhere we have also justified the title for the Expo, that strong conviction precedes great actions.
See the confidence level in you, the way you are communicating. So this is the learning. This is the true learning. Yes, very good.
Like as soon as our session joined, the schools are closed. So this is all virtual. Yes, I would like to call Unnati.
उन्नति के पापा तो बोल चुके हैं, वो तो जज थे हमारे.
Unnati herself.
Yeah, उसके herself will come. Yes, yes. आइए मैडम. Yes, हाँ जी.
Yes, Unnati.
It was such a nice and a new experience that we all got during the virtual spectrum, and we got to learn so many new things that we should know while working on a virtual platform.
Great, beta. Nice to see you all here. All the best for future ventures.
To call Kamya. Kamya.
Yes. You share your experience. These are like twins. Yes, yes.
It is really a motivational and energetic event because it guided us to lead and perform even when the situation is not in our favor. It gives us how to handle and tackle yourself upward and perform in adverse condition. Always make yourself and motivated and should never quit and make opportunities in every situation and every condition. And at last, I would say that winners never quit and quitters never win.
Very good.
Now, I would like to Anya. Anya.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving us this opportunity to participate in this grand event. हमारी क्लासेस शफल हुई थी when we came in this section. हम में से आधे से ज्यादा बच्चे शायद एक दूसरे को जानते भी नहीं थे.
Very true, very true, beta.
But through Spectrum, we got to connect with each other, and I would also like to mention.
Yes.
I would also like to mention that ये 40 minutes का event wasn't that easy. We practiced day and night. Winnie ma'am was almost up all night, and no matter what time it was, all our teachers were there to help us throughout the program. And I would also like to say that this was such a creative thing to continue the school normally, virtually. Thank you, ma'am.
Great, great.
Now our technical team, Ansh.
Ma'am, it was such a good experience and it's not an easy task to do, but we did it together.
Your video on screen, beta.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, I'm sharing the screen with PC, so ma'am, I have to.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
In guidance of our teacher and our subject teachers, they are very much supportive with us, and I gained many knowledge about latest softwares like Filmora and Streamlabs, which give me a lot of knowledge and knowledge about latest technology.
Great, beta. We want you to empower yourself for all the skills. Good.
Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Switch on your camera and speak your views.
Yes, Aditya. Yes.
I've learned so many things. Yeah, I'm fine. I learned so many things about economy while preparing this movie. I'd like to thank you, Winnie, ma'am, for ma'am supporting me and guiding me. I'm artist candidate for principal, ma'am. I'm providing this opportunity.
We are always there for you, beta. Yes.
At last, I would like to call Ishan. was my greatest friend.
Good morning, ma'am, and good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Today it is a
afternoon.
very good afternoon, ma'am. It is a very big opportunity for me to take part in virtual spectrum as also an editing team as we have learned many different softwares and about different apps for different purposes, and we felt many difficulties in the editing while doing. So because we have to tell students by taking reshoots again, and sometimes they feel angry also. Why are you saying take reshoot again? So it was very difficult also, but we enjoyed a lot. And thank you, for giving this online platform for expressing ourselves and showcasing our hidden talents. And thank you so much, ma'am.
I'm so happy for all of you. Like you have enjoyed, you have de-stressed yourself, you have learned a lot.
Yes.
Now the teachers, I know there was a huge challenge. Sleepless nights were there, but nothing come easily. So now this enjoyment which you are now having, this confidence. So उसके लिए मेहनत तो करनी पड़ेगी ना, और की आप लोगों ने, and then everything is in front of you. So congratulations once again. Any teacher would like to say something? Your team is here. Shushila, Rajni, Ritu Mahajan is here. So all have worked a lot. All have supported a lot. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I would like to say it's an amazing and a wonderful experience. Personally, I feel that through this we connect with the students. And it was great experience for me to guide them. And
I'm jealous of you all. You daily connect to students and I can't. So now today on this platform, I can connect to them. Yes.
It was great experience to guide them virtually, to work with them. Garchar ma'am, I really appreciate their effort and commendable energy. They all were willing to do everything, anything for their best. And I'm happy for that. They came together to work as a team. And thank you so much, my dear student, for your all efforts. Thank you so much.
Yes, Ritu.
Ma'am, everything has been already said, but still I'll add to it that the children, the best part that I liked about Anya and Kamya were that they were very, very receptive about the changes that they had to adapt every time we were making in the anchoring script. Then a lot of, and as Sushila said, it is so good that we had a strong connect with them. I have come to know them better as students. Otherwise, as a subject teacher, sometimes there is a lacuna and we do not come to know about their latent potentials or the hidden potentials. But it has given me a good opportunity that I have come to know that they are capable of doing everything. As you rightly said, that sometimes they undermine themselves because of the section. But there is no dearth of potential in them. They can do anything, and really proud of you all.
They have proved themselves as wonderful speakers.
Wonderful speakers.
Yes.
Yes.
So once again, congratulations to you all, to the entire team. So happy for all of you. And we are here only for you people, for children only. This is our duty. And we love to do that. And we want you to grow, to empower yourself, and to have all type of potentials like you that should come forward. Yes, now you want to formally conclude. But sorry, I will leave the meeting because I have to attend another meeting at 1.
We are glad to have you all here at this virtual platform. Thanks everyone for your esteemed presence. Now I invite Anya to extend vote of thanks.
We feel extremely gratified to extend a vote of thanks to our Honorable Principal Ma'am for sharing her vision, Sandeep Ma'am, team judges for incentivizing us and taking out their precious time, our class teacher Vinny Makhija Ma'am, under whose stewardship we could sail across. And I would also like to thank Sushila Sarawat Ma'am, Ritu Mahajan Ma'am, Suman Mittal Ma'am, and Sangeeta Pallav Ma'am for their constant support, and the young and aspiring wannabes who truly showed that there is no dearth of talent and acumen in this young brigade.
Ma'am, your actions always inspire others, and you always explore new areas and help us reach new horizons. We have seen a spectrum of colors and joy in the form of various events which were presented with full zeal and enthusiasm. The participants, although virtual, enthralled the audience with their mesmerizing and impactful performances. I would like to conclude by saying enthusiasm can help you find the new doors, but it takes passion to open them. Lastly, I request all of you to please keep yourselves on mute and get ready for Shanti Path. Thank you.